So for power, the formula is 2 pi n mt by 60. So this formula is not present in data handbook. You need to remember power P is equal to 2 pi. Here we are finding the power of P in n. So we have to take n1. The value of n1 is 300 and mt is unknown. So we need to take mt as it is 2 pi nt by 60. So the value of power they have given in the question as 20 kilowatts. So 20 into 10 power 3. By 300 mt by 60. So from this equation the value of mt we will get as 636.62 Newton meter. So this is the value of mt we will get. This is mt or nothing but torque. Now we shall substitute the value of mt here in the formula module. So we have all the values here. We have mt, we have sigma d1, we have cv, we have k, y, z. So in this formula we shall substitute this as Newton millimeter. This is in Newton mm. Newton meter we shall substitute this in Newton millimeter. So 2 into 636.62 into 10 power 3. So this 10 power 3 converts Newton mm divided by sigma d cv k y z. So sigma d is sigma 1 d, it is 120 MPa, and the value of CV is 3 divided by 3 plus 0.235 m. So here also there is 1 m, here also m, into the value of k is 10, y is pi into y1, that is 0.093 into z1 is the value of number of teeth on pinion, it is 15. So now we can find the value of m. So in this equation first we need to make cubing on both sides. So then I'll get m cube is equal to the value present here. So this cube root will be eliminated and the value present here I'll get, and then I need to convert this value and I need to find the value of m. Since this formula I'll get in terms of, on simplifying I'll get this as m cube minus 18.92 m minus 241.59 is equal to 0. So this is the formula I'll get, and by substitution or by finding the value of m from simplifying or from calculator, I'll get the value of module m is equal to 7.23 mm. So we need to find the standard value from data handbook. We need to refer the standard module. It is in page number 229. Here in page number 229, table 12.2, recommended series of module. So here there are recommended series of module. I have got the value of 7.23. So I'll consider in preferred first preference 8. I'll take as 8 mm. Module I'll take as 8 mm. Next, the value of k, it is already given in the problem, it is 10, and b is equal to 10 into 8 is equal to 80 mm. So this is the value of face width, 10 into 8, 80 mm. Next we know that module m is equal to d by z. So m is equal to d by z. This is diameter of gear, this is the number of teeth on gear, and this is equal to diameter of pinion and diameter of number of teeth on pinion. So we shall find both the values. For pinion, d1 is equal to mz1. So 8 into z1 is 15. So it becomes 15 8s are 120 mm. And for gear, the diameter d2, it is mz2. 8 into 45. So it becomes 360. So we have found out the diameters of both pinion and gear, d1, d2. So this is how we need to solve the problem.